These are the parts that we'll be using. Primarily for the AMD processor, which we'll be changing out, will be the fan, the AMD bracket. These are all for Intel, so we won't be worrying about those. This is our Corsair H60 cooler that'll be installed. It comes with thermal paste on it. This is the computer we'll be changing out on. It's my wonderful buddies. As you can see, it's modest build, nothing too special about it. He's currently got a typical heatsink with a normal air cooler. We're going to be swapping it out, as you saw, for the liquid cooler. Start by taking this off. One more to go. So, separated the CPU, put the processor, put it back in, and you can see thermal paste was pretty much non-existent for this. As you can tell there, get a little focus in. So, you can see how they kind of applied it. I don't think they applied it properly when they built this, so that could be part of this issue. But we're upgrading anyway, so now we're going to go ahead and just set this off to the side. I'm going to grab some of our isopropyl alcohol, a microfiber cloth. It does recommend more than 50%, but 50% is what I have on hand, so it might just take a little bit more rubbing to get it off. So, this is make sure you use a microfiber cloth when doing this. Prevents any mishaps. So just, I don't know, I'm kind of all over the place. So as you can tell there, just dab it there and just wipe away. So now that we've got that cleaned off, granted I got a step ahead because we still got to take the fan off, but that is what it's supposed to look like. Not have the clumps like it was. It's supposed to be a smooth paste. Now, we take this one off. Now let's disconnect the power first. Simple, short process. As long as the cleaning doesn't take forever, like that one did. Come on. Quit being a bugger. There we go, and 4. So, now, this is where the fun's going to begin. Alright, we're going to need these over here. Then, now we're going to take our four long ones from our pile over here and our washers. We need 1 washer per screw at this point in time. And just in case nobody's ever pointed it out before, and any videos you guys have watched before, there are on these arrows for direction of airflow travel. Not sure if I got it focused in there so you can see it or not, but point that way. Okay. Of course, at that point in time, it doesn't really matter which angle you put it on. We're putting it in like this. Make it easier to run the cable down. A little bit better on our cable management. Now, hold on a second. That is pretty disgusting right there. we're just going to do ourselves a favor. Take our microfiber cloth and wipe that up a little bit. Okay. So now, I'll take one screw through said hole and through that hole. Just line them up. And then we're going to take this one and that one. So we're just going to catty corner it. That way it's nice and easier to work with. And same all the way around. Just, if I can find the hole. Okay, so that's in. Now take this, and my assistant whose computer I'm working on is going to reach over and hold the cooling block while we attempt this whole madness. Now we're going to start with this one back here. Just screw her on in. Get out of the way. Alright, you're good. Out of the way. And I'm just going to tighten them down. Whoop. Put this back in there. And we're just going to screw it on in. Get it nice and snug right there. Just do the two ends and we can tighten up the other ones. Simple, easy, nice, smooth process. Don't want to rush it. There you go. So now you have your fan mounted and your cooling reservoir mounted. That part's easy. And so as you can see, we still have the plastic cover on, so we have to change that out. Let's pull the plastic cover. I'm going to mount this right on there. Pretty easy. Alright? Alright, so next step is we're going to take this mounting bracket, sit on top, take our plastic piece off like we showed you before, and then get it all nice and tightened up. So, flatheads, or I don't know what to call this one. We're going to call it an open bracket screw. Goes in like so. Take it this way. Do this. Add a little extra light. Might help with the video or not, guys. Again, if the lighting's poor, I apologize. Okay. So now, let's take this off. Evenly applied pre-thermal paste. You can choose to keep it on there, or you can scrape it off and use your own. I'm choosing to use the one that's on here because, well, I can. Now, the fun part of getting this all to fit together. So I need it to go. Actually, no. So, now we got that situated there. I'll roll this around. I'm going to push it down onto the CPU. My buddy's going to grab the bracket.
What'd you do?
It's over there. Place it on top. Sorry, I know our hands are in the way. Just give us a moment and you'll...
Sorry, big man hands.
Alright, so... Okay. You want to make sure those are fastened where they're supposed to be?